Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to spark your entrepreneurial spirit: 8 unbelievable side hustles you can start with zero investment. In a world where financial freedom is more important than ever, we understand the desire to earn extra income without breaking the bank. This video will explore unconventional and cost-free ways to boost your earnings, perfect for anyone looking to supplement their income or even transition into a full-time gig. From leveraging your skills to tapping into the gig economy, we'll uncover unique opportunities that require nothing but your time and creativity. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, these side hustles are designed to fit into your busy life. So, stick around as we reveal these exciting options that could change your financial landscape and help you achieve the freedom you've been dreaming of. Freelance writing. If you've ever thought about turning your passion for writing into a source of income, freelance writing is a fantastic option that requires no upfront investment. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start, allowing you to offer your writing services to clients around the world. These platforms connect you with potential clients looking for everything from blog posts to marketing copy, making it easy to find gigs that suit your skills. But before you dive in, it's crucial to build a portfolio that showcases your writing abilities. You can do this by utilizing free blogging platforms like WordPress or Medium, where you can publish your work and demonstrate your style. This not only helps you attract clients but also boosts your confidence as a writer. So, if you're ready to leverage your writing skills and earn money from the comfort of your home, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Virtual assistant services. Becoming a virtual assistant is an excellent way to earn money without any upfront costs, and it's a perfect fit for those who are organized and have strong communication skills. As a virtual assistant, you'll be helping businesses with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media coordination, all from the comfort of your home. To get started, it's essential to identify the skills you already possess and consider areas where you can improve. There are plenty of free resources available online, such as blogs, YouTube tutorials, and even free courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy, that can help you learn the ins and outs of virtual assistance. Once you feel confident in your abilities, you can start looking for clients on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. The flexibility of this side hustle allows you to set your own hours, and with the right clients, the potential earnings can be quite lucrative. So, if you're ready to dive in, virtual assistants could be your ticket to financial freedom. Social media management. If you're looking to dive into the world of social media management, you're in luck. This side hustle allows you to help businesses grow their online presence while earning money from home. To get started, it's essential to identify the skills you'll need, such as content creation, engagement strategies, and an understanding of various social media platforms. One of the best ways to create eye-catching posts is by using free tools like Canva, which offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of templates to help you design professional-looking graphics. This can significantly enhance your ability to attract and engage followers for your clients. Once you feel confident in your skills, don't hesitate to reach out to local businesses that may need help managing their social media accounts. Many small businesses are eager to improve their online presence but lack the time or expertise to do so. By offering your services, you can build a portfolio while helping them thrive in the digital landscape. Online tutoring. Becoming an online tutor is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn money without any financial investment. With the rise of digital learning, platforms like tutor.com and Chegg allow you to sign up for free and connect with students who need help in various subjects. These platforms provide a straightforward way to start tutoring without the hassle of marketing yourself independently. To succeed as an online tutor, it's crucial to showcase your expertise in specific subjects. Whether you excel in math, science, languages, or test preparation, highlighting your strengths will attract students looking for guidance. Not only does online tutoring provide a flexible schedule, but it also allows you to make a positive impact on others' educational journeys. By leveraging your knowledge, you can help students overcome challenges while earning money from the comfort of your home. So, if you're passionate about teaching and want to make a difference, online tutoring could be the perfect side hustle for you. Pet sitting or dog walking. Starting a pet sitting or dog walking service is a rewarding way to earn extra income without any costs involved. If you love animals, this side hustle allows you to spend time with furry friends while helping pet owners in your community. To find clients, utilize social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, where you can join local groups or create posts to advertise your services. Community boards, both online and in local businesses, are also great places to share your offerings. The joy of working with animals is unmatched, and it can be incredibly fulfilling to provide care and companionship to pets while their owners are away. To get started, consider creating a simple flyer that outlines your services, availability, and contact information. Distributing these flyers in your neighborhood or posting them on community bulletin boards can help you attract clients quickly. So, if you're ready to turn your love for pets into a profitable venture, pet sitting or dog walking could be the perfect fit for you. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an innovative and accessible way to start a side hustle with zero investment. The concept is simple: you sell products online without ever holding any inventory. When a customer places an order on your online store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about upfront inventory costs or managing stock, making it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. To get started, platforms like Shopify offer free trials that allow you to set up your online store without any initial fees. This gives you the opportunity to explore the platform and see if dropshipping is right for you. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to research trending products that are in demand. By identifying popular items, you can position your store for success and attract more customers. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce, dropshipping could be your gateway to financial freedom. In today's video, we explored 8 incredible side hustles you can start with zero investment, highlighting opportunities like freelance writing, virtual assistants, social media management, online tutoring, pet sitting, and dropshipping. The key takeaways are clear: you don't need a lot of money to begin your journey toward financial freedom. Instead, focus on leveraging your skills, utilizing free resources, and tapping into your local community to find clients. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to get started, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with friends or family who might be interested in starting their own side hustles. Explore our channel for more related content that can guide you on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.